This company is working because there's a huge demand. It's cleaning needs to get done every single day, and the other providers in the space are not, kind of taking the right approach. We do it slowly and we hire really well. We take a long time to hire somebody because we expect them to be with us for a long time. We background check them, we train them, we put them on other jobs with other cleaners that we have been with us for a long time, and we make sure that they're the right fit before we put them on a new job. We expect them to stay with us for a long time. We, take care of them, we give them uniforms, we keep track of what supplies they have, what they need, we check in with them all the time. The same with the clients, we're checking in with clients, what they need, what we're not getting right. We try to hear all the complaints before we get the email about something. So ideally it's, we're asking the clients what's going on, and the answer is yes, everything's fine, leave us alone. That's the ideal relationship, and that's typically how it goes, that we are over asking our clients and they are saying, yep, everything is fine, don't worry about it, we will reach out, and they have all of our contacts. And it's working out because, we just take it seriously, and we do it the way that most clients expect us to do. So they meet with me or one of the other managers for the walkthrough, and they expect that someone who's closely related to me, one of our cleaners, is going to come clean their site. And that's how we do it. And some other cleaning companies, they meet with one of the representatives and then they sub it out to another, kind of independent cleaner. And that works short term, but long term it kind of falls apart because nobody really cares. They're not getting paid enough to do the work. They're annoyed at the, disruptive shifts that they're getting once in a while. They have to buy their own equipment. We've heard some crazy horror stories from people who want to work for us. And it's why we don't have trouble finding people who want to work with us. We overpay them, we treat them right, we provide supplies on site. I thought that was obvious, and that is not obvious. People, when they interview, one of the questions that I get a lot is, do I have to buy my own supplies? And I'm like, your own supplies for cleaning? No, everything's on site. What, are you going to bring the mop and bucket or something with you? And they're like, yeah, some other cleaning companies, they've suggested I get a backpack, they suggested I get a cart. And I'm like, that's crazy. Everything is on site. We do it the right way. The real way that everyone's imagining it is the way that we're doing it. So there's a supply closet, we stock it, we purchase equipment, we make sure everything that the cleaner needs is on site, and then the cleaner comes and cleans. They don't have to, get on the subway with a mop and bucket and, kind of mess around and stop at Home Depot and lose money because they have to figure out how to get there. And it's just bananas what's happening, and we're just not doing it that way. And it's a slight premium in price, but it just really takes care of a lot of headaches. And it's something that kind of the foresight of being a mature business owner, having failed other businesses and putting it all together, that's why it's working this time. That if you can cut corners in the short term, but long term it's not really going to work out. If you just do things the right way, it works out for everyone, the client, us, and the cleaners. And so it just makes sense. It's so simple. It's really hard to do reliability over and over consistently at the same space and get the same person to come to the same space. But if you treat them right and if you talk to your clients, then everything just keeps going.